How to install your ThermaDoor installation panels. With the garage door closed, remove the horizontal stiffening Rio bars from the vertical rails. This will give you clearer access to install the panels. Place the top of the ThermaDoor installation panel into the upper section of the door and push it up until it stops. Use the palm of your hand, not a clenched fist, to lightly tap the panel in a downward motion. Gently push the bottom of the panel down past the bottom lip of the door section until it stops. Continue with the same process with all the panels to complete your ThermaDoor installation.